Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today we're checking out one of the most futuristic and honestly strangest gadgets I've ever seen, the Dyson Zone. These are not just premium noise-canceling headphones, they also purify the air you breathe. But are they a revolutionary invention or just an overpriced gimmick? Let's find out. Inside the box we get the Dyson Zone headphones, a detachable air purifier mask, a carrying case, charging cable, and extra filters. First impressions? These are big! Definitely bulkier than your standard headphones. But the build quality? Absolutely premium. Let's start with what you expect from any headphones, the sound quality. The Dyson Zone packs 40mm neodymium drivers, and the audio is surprisingly crisp, balanced, and bass-heavy. Active noise cancellation is solid, competing with the likes of Sony's WH-1000XM5 and Apple's AirPods Max. It cuts out city noise effectively. Now the crazy part, the air purification system. The detachable mask has electrostatic filters that capture 99% of pollutants as small as 0.1 microns. It works using microcompressors that draw in air and filter out dust, gas, and even some odors. But is it practical? Well, if you live in a high-pollution city like Beijing, Delhi, or LA, this could be a game-changer. But walking around with this in public? You will turn heads. 50 hours of battery life if you just use the headphones. But with air purification on, that drops to just 4 hours. It charges via USB-C, taking around 3 hours for a full charge. Great sound quality and active noise cancellation. Innovative air purification tech. Premium build and futuristic design. Huge and bulky, not very portable. Battery drains fast with purification on. Super expensive at $949. So is the Dyson Zone worth it? If you're in a highly polluted area and want top-tier active noise cancellation headphones with air purification, this is one of a kind. But at $949, it's a tough sell. For the same price, you could get Bose or Sony headphones plus an actual air purifier. Would you wear these in public? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crazy tech reviews. See you next time!